So here I am on P&O Cruises Azura. Now this is my first time on board. I want to show you around my cabin. Now I am in a fully obstructed Oceanview, cabin number E421. I want to take you and have a look around. I've got some great storage ideas as well, which will really help you on your cruise when you are on. So come on, let's go and take a look.
Pack my things up, carefree, adventures waiting. I'm heading out to see the rest of the world. Yeah, yeah.
Now here we are in the main body of the cabin, like I say, cabin number E421. Now what I really love about this cabin is the location, because it's just outside the lift, which is great for accessibility. You've got cabins above you and you've got cabins below you, and it is in a mid-forward location. So if you are booked in this cabin or something similar, then this gives you a really good idea of what to expect when you stay on board.
The first thing you notice when you enter the cabin is a wonderful wardrobe area, very similar to the design on princess ships. Plenty of space for hanging the whole contents of your suitcases, especially your long dresses, ladies. So just leave your coat hangers at home, because your cabin steward will bring you as many as you need. You just need to leave him a note on the notepad provided. Your clothes are easily accessible, I feel, with plenty of room, plus a full-length mirror here to remind yourself just how gorgeous you are.
Now also, as you know, I absolutely love a travel cube, and here you've got plenty of shelving for your travel cubes. I would very much recommend that you take a travel cube. That, believe it or not, has 1 week's worth of day wear. Just one travel cube. Now again, the travel cubes you can buy from Amazon, which I've got pink and grey ones. They come in all different shapes and sizes, and they're just packed away in little cubes, and you can just store them then in the drawers as well.
Now in the bathrooms you will find 3 shelves on the top right, plus storage space together with a bin underneath. The bathrooms come with 1 hand towel and bath towel per person, and are changed every single morning. And to help with your luggage allowance, you will find in your bathroom the White Company hand wash, shampoo and shower gel. Just leave a note for your cabin steward if you need any more. Now remember, Azura was built in 2009, so it's of no surprise to find the dreaded shower curtain is back. I found the shower itself was quite small, so I was sadly guaranteed a shower curtain hug every single morning.
Now I also want to mention to you is the over the door hanger. This is a toiletry bag. Now I absolutely love this. Again, it was £16.99 from Amazon, and it's just a toiletry bag that you fold up and you just bob it in your case. Now I filled it before I left the UK, so I knew that it was packed like this, and all I needed to do was unravel it and put it onto the hook at the back of the bathroom door. It's absolutely fantastic, and like I say, you can pack it when just zip it up. You pack it all up when you're in the UK, and then you just unravel it, put it on the bathroom door, and it's all done. Now that is quick and easy. Now as we come into the main body of the cabin, like I said, this is a 4-berth cabin. So as you can see, you've got a bed at either side of the double bed that has been made up for me. Now if you have 3 or 4 passengers in this cabin, then you have to have single beds, so it would then look like bunk beds, and your chest of drawers was in the middle. You can only have a double bed in a cabin like this if there is just 1 or 2 guests, but when the Pullman beds are in use, then you have to have single beds. So bear that in mind. If you are a family of 4 in an inside or in an Oceanview cabin, then you can only have 2 single beds and 2 Pullman beds. Okay, so just to be aware. So the storage space in the main body of the cabin, let's take a look. In this cabin you have 2 UK sockets, which is great, so you don't need an adapter. I have brought this with me, so it's the UK plug socket plus. You've got 3 USB ports and a USB-C port in there as well, and I just got that off Amazon. So for any electrical items with just USB chargers, then I've got 3 ports there, and of course a lot of electronics now take USB-C. If you have got quite a few electrical items, to purchase one of them. Now this is the desk area. Now I think that's quite big for some cabins that I've seen. You've got storage space, you've got shelving underneath, again, which is great, a little bin. If we open this drawer here, then you have a hairdryer. I've got my straighteners in there, my hairbrush and my filming equipment. But there is a hairdryer. I haven't tried it yet, but I will do and let you know what it's like. Then in the other drawer, you've got your fridge. It's always good to have a fridge, isn't it? I think most ships have fridges now in the cabin.
Now, any ship that provides tea and coffee making facilities in your cabin has my vote. I was spoiled on Azura, as every evening I had these biscuits which were free of charge and provided to go with my cuppa as I got into bed to read the Horizon entertainment programme. Tea and coffee and decaf are provided together with full and semi-skimmed milk. Your cabin steward will top these up each day, and if you drink a particular tea or coffee, feel free to bring it with you. Also, don't forget to bring your cruise essential or water bottle. Bottles of water are chargeable on board, but if you bring your water bottle, just visit the water stations by the bars on deck 15 and take full advantage of the free ice water. Now, this is a fully obstructed Oceanview. It's 273 square foot, and as I said earlier, it's a 4-berth cabin. You will find at either side of the bed a drawer, which is great for more storage. As this is an older ship, there will be no USB or plug sockets though by the bed. A good thing is, underneath the bed is plenty of space for storing at least 4 large suitcases too. Now, if we take a look outside, you'll see that although this is classed as a fully obstructed view, my cabin overlooks the end of the last lifeboat. So if I look to the left, I still have a little bit of a view. If you are ever choosing your cabin and it's fully obstructed, try and look for the one at the end of the row of lifeboats for a better view. Overall though, I thought this was a fantastic cabin. Good storage, great location. Sadly though, I wouldn't stay in this cabin again, and that is because of the Pullman beds. It left little or no room to move to get into bed, and during the night you really had to watch where you were going so you didn't bang into a Pullman bed. If this cabin was in full use and had 4 occupants, then there would be single lower beds, so it really would then be a great choice for a family of 4. Remember though, on newer ships the Pullman beds are built into the ceiling, so it never is an issue. But other than that, this was really a great cabin.
If you want to book any cabin on P&O Cruises Azura, then all you need to do is to join Hollydaysatsea Facebook group, and on there will be some discounted prices plus a discount code to be used before the 30th of June 2024 for your next P&O cruise holiday. So now I am going to leave you. I hope you like this cabin tour. Don't forget to like and subscribe because there is so much more content coming up on P&O Cruises Azura. Until next time.
So come and join me next Friday at 6 p.m. where I review Epicurean, the Beach House and Sindhu. But which of these specialty dining restaurants came out on top?